Okay.
You dare or truth?
Truth.
Truth. Who was your first boyfriend?
Bradley.
Okay. My go. Dare.
I didn't even ask you yet.
Okay, go.
Truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to lick the birds. You have to lick them. Lick Pinky. No, lick. That's not licking. That's not licking.
I dare you to.
No, you haven't done your day yet.
I can't. I won't do it. Is it okay if I lick their tail?
Yeah.
Oh God, this is the worst dare ever. I'll dare you one day to do it. You have to.
Just go pick her out of the cage.
Am I allowed?
Yeah.
If Frank doesn't bite.
It's okay, he won't bite you. No, you have to just get her out. That's it.
What did you do?
She licked the bird.
Hey?